Why choose Utah Online School? A game changer for competitive bike racing, twins, and beyond. Every year, thousands of students across Utah discover the unique advantages of personalized learning through Utah Online School, UOS. Whether a student wants to blend traditional schooling with online classes or take their entire curriculum digitally, UOS offers flexible options designed to fit any lifestyle. Take, for instance, Luke and Alex Mallen, 16-year-old twin brothers and passionate mountain bike racers. They have an intense travel and training schedule, making it tough to attend typical brick-and-mortar schools. So they enrolled full-time at Utah Online School, which perfectly matches their demanding lifestyle. Luke's achievements on the bike are impressive. He took first place in the Pro Division at last year's Fox US Open Dual Slalom competition, riding on FB wheels, won the dual slalom at Crankworx for 2 consecutive years, claimed victory at the 2023 Straight Acres Invitational Dual Slalom, and was crowned the 2022 USA National Dual Slalom Champion. Alex earned third in the U17 Expert category at the inaugural $11.99 Canadian Open Downhill race at Crankworx, won first place in the Pump Track Challenge, and secured second place in the Crankworx Dual Slalom, finishing just behind his brother. These young athletes are on track to compete as UCI World Cup downhill racers as soon as they turn 17 in 2025. Beyond competing, they enjoy desert freeriding and have already tackled some challenging trails at a remarkably young age. What's more, both brothers are recognized by several brands and proudly represent the Monster Army. Flexibility that benefits every student in Utah. Utah Online School is not just for elite athletes. Its flexibility extends to all students across the state. In 2011, the Utah legislature approved a statewide online education program, allowing eligible students to earn middle and high school credits through publicly funded online courses. Most families don't realize that this program lets students combine traditional in-person classes with online coursework, which provides unmatched flexibility in both scheduling and curriculum. This means students can customize their education depending on their personal and family needs, all while earning high school credits. And here's the best part. Because UOS is a public school, Utah students don't pay tuition for these classes. With over 17 years of experience and serving more than 10,000 students annually, Utah Online School has grown into a vital educational resource statewide. Fully accredited and approved by the NCAA, all teachers are certified professionals dedicated to student success. Take school anywhere, even this summer. Utah Online School is now open for summer and fall enrollments. Unlike the traditional, sometimes dull concept of summer school, UOS offers a vibrant variety of classes ranging from art history to wildlife biology, from hospitality and tourism to forestry, making learning feel more like summer camp than school. Imagine planning a family trip to the beach and aligning it with a marine biology or environmental science course, or spending time outdoors and pairing that with classes in outdoor recreation, geology, or even astronomy. There are nearly 70 course options available, and the list keeps growing. For students playing summer sports, physical education credits are available, while music enthusiasts can earn credits through lessons in guitar, ukulele, music theory, and more. In addition to core subjects like reading, history, math, and art, UOS offers a fascinating spread of classes, including computer science, coding, over 20 world languages, honors courses, and ACT preparation. For teens old enough to drive, driver's education is also part of the offerings, complete with simulator training. Grade replacement when life gets tough. Life throws curveballs sometimes, affecting students' grades and academic goals. Fortunately, Utah allows grade replacement, meaning students can retake courses to improve their transcripts. Through Utah Online School, students can replace those grades flexibly, fitting retakes into their schedules without the pressure of traditional schooling. One student shared, "My grades had slipped in a few classes, but taking UOS courses helped me replace those grades. Submitting my transcript to colleges felt amazing. It truly reflected my capabilities." To make sure the grade replacement process goes smoothly, it's important that students coordinate with their school counselors, catch up with credit recovery. If a student has fallen behind or failed classes, Utah Online School's credit recovery program can help get them back on the path to graduation. Available year-round, but especially useful in summer, this program lets students regain credits for just a $50 fee per 9-week session. Once a course is finished, they can immediately start a new one, allowing fast progress through subjects as they master the content. Schools from all over Utah trust UOS for original credit courses and makeup options, proving its reliability. The go-to option for online learning in Utah. If you're curious about how blended online and traditional education can work for your student, but don't know where to begin, Utah Online School has been refining this education model for nearly 2 decades. With a team of more than 150 teachers, counselors, and staff supporting over 10,000 students each year, UOS has served over 120,000 learners since its inception. Its impressive course completion rate exceeds 90%, and graduation rates top 95%, demonstrating consistent academic success. What sets UOS apart is its commitment to tailoring education to meet individual student needs, supported by certified professionals and caring mentors. Enroll today in Utah's leading online public school, offering flexible full-time and part-time learning options for K-12 students. Best of all, Utah Online School is free to all Utah residents and fully accredited. But here's where it gets controversial. Should fully online schooling become the new norm for all students, or is the traditional classroom irreplaceable? What do you think? Share your views below.